Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Convertible. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the car and just show you through the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself is presented in the Estoril Blue, and alongside that we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, along with adding the 20-inch M4 style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. So at the front of this vehicle, you'll see it is a 2015 65 reg. You'll also see the Angel Light and Xenon headlamps. And down the side of the car, along with the gloss black air breathers, we've also added the satin side vinyls and the satin side bars, along with the YNC Mperformance decals. Thanks to us having the roof down on this very nice 420D, you'll already be able to see that very nice Oyster Dakota leather, and we will of course go on and take a closer look at that now. So in the front, you get the electric movement, memory for driver's side, along with the heated option for the seats. Alongside that, this vehicle has also been equipped with the Harman Kardon surround sound and Logic 7 audio system. So in terms of that, always a very popular and nice option to have. You'll find in the rear seats the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the central folding armrest and of course the central storage tray. And no matter where you sit in the 4 Series, is a very nice, spacious, comfortable place to be. Everything is nice, clean and tidy and very nicely presented in terms of the interior and exterior on this vehicle. Moving around to the rear, where we fitted the gloss black rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. Now of course, often on convertible vehicles the luggage capacity can be compromised, and of course having the roof down can often mean you have to put it all the way up to allow you to gain access to your full storage. But thanks to BMW's ingenuity, this is not the case here, as we can partly lift the roof out of the storage compartment to gain access to all of our storage, as you can see there. Then we lift the luggage compartment tray open, and there you can see just how much of a big boot you do have, including a little bit of storage to both the left and right hand side. And there you can see once again everything nicely presented. Closing that down, we'll simply push the button in the opposite direction and everything folds nice and neatly away again. And once that has finished its action, we'll shut the boot down and move around to the other side, where again I can just show you how nice this Estoril Blue body colour really works, and it's working certainly very nicely with the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. Again, all of the exterior to this vehicle on both sides and all the way around is in very nice condition, as is the interior. Again, I'll show you one last look at these fantastic alloy wheels before I head on inside to show you yet more special features of the interior. I will also put the roof up of course, and towards the end of the video you can take a look at the car with the roof all the way up. You'll notice there we've of course also got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run through a couple of the features and functions of that whilst I get the roof closing. Currently on screen we've got the DAB open, along with a wide array of multimedia options covering you from everything through external devices, USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio. Your navigation, which is a really nice easy system to use within the BMW ranges, and we've also got Bluetooth telephone as well as audio. Going back to the very main menu, and that little audible noise you've just heard there is just to highlight the fact that the roof movement is now completed. The vehicle has covered just over 58,000 miles. Also, we have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, which again is presented very nicely. We'll go down and take a look at the vehicle information, which is where all of the service history and service information is stored. 9,000 miles, or the dates shown there until next service. The service history for this car, we've got full BMW service history, as you can see there, right the way from the first till the most recent. The last visit to BMW was for a set of front brake pads to be carried out, and the time before that was for a major service including all of the filters, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of the car, because of course that means the next service is just a very basic oil and oil filter change. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you found this walk around video useful, and it will aid in making an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. You'll find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description. Hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care, thank you and goodbye.